Do you ever unlock your phone in public and feel like someone might be watching your screen? When you use a pattern to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the lens shows on the screen by default. This can be a problem if someone is looking over your shoulder. But no need to worry, there's a quick way to hide the pattern lines. Let me show you how to make your pattern invisible step by step. First, head into Settings. Scroll down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Secure Lock Settings. Draw your pattern. After that, you will see an option called Make Pattern Visible. Just tap the switch to turn it off. To see the result, go to the lock screen. Swipe the screen. Now draw your pattern to unlock it. As you can see, when you draw the pattern to unlock your phone, the lines will not show up. This makes it much harder for other people to see your unlock pattern. Given to the function, turning off Make Pattern Visible helps protect your privacy, especially in public places like trains, cafes, or schools. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.